The digital transformation we have embarked into some 3 years ago now, it's almost bottom to top change, which entails a few things. Changing the premises to start with say Google-like type of new premises where we can say partner with some startups, which have an open forum. We can co-create with those startups. We can co-create with our clients as well. It's also entails some say digital equipment of all our staff, even the most clerical staff, so that they get used to the new techniques. It goes through the processes as well, with all the new agile approaches and so on and so forth. We got also everyone equipped with the state-of-the-art digital equipment. So it goes through and through everything. The marketing of our products, it's a brand new change whereby we want our people to harness all the new technologies and our clients to engage into that transformation with us. I believe, as you said, they are not just competing, they can also be combined in order for us to provide better customer experience from the start, but also to better manage our processes. So I think the new technologies and the innovation applies to each and everything, from the marketing of our products to deliver effectively new products, new customer experiences that are closer to the ones the new entrants can present, a la Google or Facebook or whatever, to try to be more palatable to our clients, whilst leveraging off the strengths of our DNA, which is the security of the data, the safety of the data, the confidentiality of the data. Client experience, but also say better mastering our processes. So you mentioned RPA, you mentioned APIs, you mentioned as well artificial intelligence. That we apply to the way we address our processes, the way we manage cybersecurity, the way we manage fraud. You should be surprised. We have been able to reduce card fraud, for instance, by a 2-digit figure over the last 3 years, whilst the rhythm of fraud were going the other way around. So that's also another use of new technologies. So they go across the board, from customer to processes to IT. If I go back 3 years ago, we were one of the few banks that pushed on Swift to try to develop such an experience. It wasn't called GPI at the time, but our point was that we needed to leverage off the main features of Swift, which is safety, reliability, capacity to deliver, with the capacity to answer the push from the fintechs and the new entrants, saying, if we deliver some better client experience, if we deliver on what clients are expecting from us, which is transparency on cost, transparency on the way the deals are managed, the capacity as a FedEx to know where my wire transfer is, there we can benefit from both worlds, the safety of the historical Swift and the attraction of the new plans offer. So we have been all pushing for that, and we are more than welcome to see that the initiative is coming to live now. So we already have 22 banks live. We are joining the pack and we'll be live week after next, so that's perfect. We do believe by joining forces with what Swift was able to do and the new customer experience, we can capture the attention and the trust of our client again. And that's where history is going to, more transparency, swiftness, the fact that Swift GPI is now able to process end-to-end in less than 30 minutes. That's a huge progress with what the situation was 3 years ago. I think I already told that a few years ago. So we have rediscovered in the last years the merit of partnering with other banks. That's what SIBOS stands for anyway. It's in order for us to burn cash and try to do things in isolation. What's important is to manage our means in a much more intelligent way, and second, to create ecosystems where the clients can find better at ease. And that's by partnering and cooperating that we can achieve that. And it's exactly the name of the game for all of the SIBOS discussion that we have with our peers. Try to find ways and means to embark more globally our clients and deliver to our clients sometimes a seamless experience from one bank to the other. That's again what GPI is for, just providing that seamless experience.